Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free MELD airdrops. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So as you can see, the current circulating supply for MELD is around 4 billion, and the price of MELD token is around a penny. But if we talk about the all-time high, it was close to 18 cents, as you can see, and it has dropped down drastically. This is relatively a new token, and if you want to go ahead and purchase this, you can. If we go and check in the markets over here, although this is not a financial advice, do your own research before investing into any crypto, as crypto investment is risky. So MEXC has the highest volume, around 1.1 million in the past 24 hours. So we will go on their website, MELD. So as you can see, this is a Web3 banking stake. So basically, this is a lending and borrowing decentralized exchange, initially based on the Cardano blockchain, but now it's available on Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain, which I will show you in some time. And if we go down and check, this is how the wallet looks like. I will actually show you my wallet as well. I've already signed up and I've already transferred some assets, and I will show you how to get the airdrops also. So this is the roadmap and all. We can have a look at it later. And this is the mail team. So all are AI generated images. I mean, this looks risky, but not that risky as compared to other tokens. If you be honest over here, and because I haven't gone through each and every profile, so maybe this may be a scam token or maybe a legit token. You may never know. But here we are not investing any money. We are only here for the free airdrops. So that's not a big problem. And if we go and check the MELD airdrop, I will leave a link in the description, my referral link, where you will be getting some additional MELD tokens as airdrop if you use that. If not, then you can directly go here and use this. So basically, currently the airdrop is for 100 MELD, and also there is a chance to get 1 million MELD tokens for absolutely free in the airdrop if you are the lucky winner. So all you have to do is you will need to sign up first on MELD and click on apply now, and you will need to put your first name, last name, email, and then you have to repeat your email and phone number. And as you can see, they have mentioned that I acknowledge that in order to validate my early access, I will send $1 USD worth crypto. So basically, you will need to send a dollar worth crypto to them, and then you will be receiving 100 mil as bonus. So all you can do is once you click on continue, you have to set up your wallet. And once the wallet is set up, I will go ahead and show you my wallet over here. So I click on MELD app and I'll click enter. I've already set up my wallet, and this will increase, yeah, because I also have Cardano. So basically how it works is like you will need to connect your wallet. For me, I use a Eternal wallet, which is a Cardano community wallet. So I've already connected my Eternal wallet, and then you will get an email from them with regards to the early access code. So once you have that email, all you have to do is on the bottom right, you will get the option to apply for the early access. And that code which you receive on your email, you will need to put it over here. And then in some time, in less than a minute, 100 mail would be transferred to you. So I've already got mine. And if I'm lucky, I might win 1 million mail tokens, as you can see. So this is the easiest way to get MELD tokens as airdrops. And in case if you want to buy it, then you have to go in market and check it's available on Uniswap, and MinSwap is also there. Then with regards to centralized exchange, we have MEX and BitTrue, which is good. And hopefully the price of these tokens rises in the future. And this was all about MELD. And in case if you have any doubts and questions with regards to MELD or any other token, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.